be upon you Allah mercy and blessings. Hello everybody, my name is Nikita Amanda Rahmadani. In this time, I want to tell you about my hometown, the place where I spent my childhood. So before that, I want to give you some information about myself. I was born in Bandung on December 5, 2001, but I'm a native in West Sumatra and grew up there. I live in the small city of West Sumatra. The name is Solok City, and I live in the city center, so it is make quite easy to get various access for me and for my family to support our daily activity. However, my hometown is for me, Solok City is the most comfortable city to live in because Solok City is a small dense city. The weather is still beautiful and there is not much air pollution. The market where you shop is also complete, from groceries, clothes, and even dessert. I really love this city. In this city, there are also tourist attractions that are mostly family tourist attractions. One of them is a Cross Island Park, City Park, and others. Everybody, I still often remember my childhood in this city. My friends and me often bathed in the river, which at that time was still clean and was often used by residents for bathing and washing. We also get scolded for bathing in the river, but getting angry is what makes us even happier together. Apart from bathing in the river, we were also good herders. On holidays, we go to steppe herding from morning to evening. We also brought lunch and lunch together there. Another thing you need to know about the city of Solok is its special food. The famous West Sumatra food is rendang. Rendang is a very tasty food and is well known overseas. It is said that rendang cooked by the original Minang people is very different from the rendang cooked by Minang outsiders. Everybody, as I said before, Solok City is a great place to stay, but if you ask to me what needs to be improved, that is the area of tourism. Why? Because tourism here hasn't given much effect to the region. Because most of the visitors are only local residents. Solok City gives me very much memories, so that I want to try to living in the southernest area because I also like culture there. Okay everybody, I think enough for today, and I hope in the next time we can talk together about a very much topic, yes. Okay, thank you very much and see you, bye bye.